friends, it's me Marwa and welcome back to my channel Marwa the graphic designer. In today's video we will do some magic in Photoshop and generating a perspective motion in Photoshop. So let's get started. So I am opening Photoshop and then I am going on file and then opening a picture that we will use in our today's tutorial. This picture then download it from pixels. So then we have to crop this picture from this side. So we are using crop tool. So to crop it, yeah, this little bit of crop we will do. Yeah, so we are going on background and then pressing on Ctrl plus J to make a copy of it, and then clicking on this layer 1 and then going on quick selection tool and then select subject. There is one only subject, that is a car. So the subject is selected and then we are going to mask it. We are clicking on this. Yeah. Yes. It is duplicated from it. Okay. So then go to filter and then convert for smart filters. Okay. Then we have to unlock this background layer. Okay. Then we are writing here car because it is car picture. So we have to click on this layer and then going on filter and then going on blur gallery and then selecting path blur. Then make a paths around it, delete these paths. Okay. So we are making this type of paths right now. Then click on this endpoint and then decrease its value and then do save with it. Yes, and then click and then increase its value to 300. Okay. Then click OK. blur is completed. Then we have to edit this car also. So we are zooming in. Okay, then click on filter, blur gallery and spin blur. Adjust with its style. It is little so it is loading. It is little bit blurry. Okay, so our perspective motion is ready. Please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, like my videos, share my videos, and do comment my videos. So meet you in my new videos. So bye bye.